Hi there, my name is Genadinik and I am the second instructor in this course, followed by the Queen Tatiana. So, what am I going to cover in this course? My course is the second part of the course, my part of the course is the second part of the course, and I'm going to cover how to do a lot of organic marketing, SEO, setting up your website, and general local business marketing for your business. What I'm also going to do is talk about how you can turn your dog walking business into a dog walking empire. Because if you can do this in one city, for yourself, you can generate demand for other geographic areas, hire dog walkers, and then you'll be on top of that little empire, right? So then you have a real big, growing dog walking business that scales beyond yourself, because you as a dog walker don't only scale to so many dogs you can walk. After that, to grow, you need to have other people working for you. And so I'll give you a couple of strategies. I'll give you a lot of strategies, but a couple of them will be ones you can expand out and have yourself create a little empire for yourself, a dog walking empire. So that's something to look forward to in my part of the course.